Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find one of your FreeBuds 5i bud. Okay, so as you can see, I lost my right earbud. I'm looking for it. And when you are still connected and close to your phone, you can just simply open your device in the Huawei AI Live application and then just simply scroll down. Then select Find Earphones and ping bud that you are looking for. So in my case it will be the right one. So click, tap play, and as you can hear, you can right now spot your earbud. In my case, it's located right here. Wow, amazing. Right now, when you put it back to the charging case and click I got it, it's finished. So that's how you can find your bud of the FreeBuds 5i. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.